Weights on your left foot, right foot toes out to the side. We cross, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover your weight, and side shuffle, step together, step. Left foot repeat, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, shuffle with a quarter turn, left. Weights on your left foot. We're going to kick, ball change with a quarter turn and kick, ball change on the spot. Kick and turn, kick on the spot, jazz box, cross 1, back 2, side 3 and 4. The last section of the dance, our rocking chair, forward, rock back, we pivot half turn with your right foot, making it to the half, and then add a paddle quarter turn, ready to start again with our cross weave. Let's go back to the beginning with the count. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're ready to start again with our right foot. This dance is called Bad Dreams. It's by Liz Gardiner.